Okay, next vaccine is the Covaxin. Covaxin is the inactivated virus vaccine. Okay, it comes under the group of vaccine which is known as the inactivated virus vaccine. Okay, how it works? What is the mechanism of action? Inactivated virus. The important thing is inactivated. The COVID virus, but which is inactivated. Inactivated virus is inserted into the human body, which stimulate the person's immune response by the T cell and B cell mediated, without produce active disease. This is the important. The Covaxin also does not produce any active disease in the person taking the vaccines. Okay. Now the thing is, what is the difference than the Covishield vaccine? The mechanism of Covishield vaccine is depends on the spike protein. This is the spike protein of the COVID virus or coronavirus. Okay. In the Covishield vaccine, we are using the only spike protein genome which are engineered with the adenovirus genome, and then it is inserted into the human body. But in case of the Covaxin, we are not using the only spike protein. We are using the entire virus. Entire COVID virus or coronavirus, but in the form of inactivated. Okay, thing is, it is inactivated. So inactivated virus which is directly inserted into the human body, not after engineering with any vector. So there is no requirement of vector. Directly the whole inactivated COVID virus is inserted into the human body, which inactivated virus is after entering into the human body, which produce the T cell and B cell mediated immunity, and which provide the memory of by the T cell for the future infection. Now, what is the dose, efficacy, site, route, storage, and transport? This everything is same. Okay, everything is same except the efficacy. Efficacy is around 86 to 96% with the different studies done in the different countries. Okay, the dose is the same, 0.5 ml. Site is also same, deltoid muscle. Route is also same, intramuscular. Interval is same as the Covishield vaccine. The 2 doses are required, 4 to 12 weeks apart. As the interval increases, the longevity of the vaccine is increasing. Everything is same. Okay, the storage and transport, which is most important. Storage and transport, it is between the 2 to 8 degrees centigrade temperature. If we are not maintain the temperature of 2 to 8 degrees centigrade, then the efficacy and effectivity of the vaccine is reduced. Okay, so the important thing is we have to maintain the storage and transport between the 2 to 8 degrees centigrade, and the transport from the site of manufacture to the site of vaccination is known as the cold chain. We have to maintain the temperature during the transport is known as the cold chain. Okay, we have to maintain temperature of 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Proper cold chain should be needed during the transport. Okay, same as the other vaccine and Covishield vaccine. Once it open, after opening the vial, it should be used within a 6 hour. It cannot be used after 6 hours. Once the vial is open, it should be used within a 6 hours. Okay. Now the one question arises: if we are not able to maintain 2 to 8 degrees centigrade temperature during the transport of site of manufacture to the site of vaccination, if we are not able to maintain the temperature of 2 to 8 degrees centigrade during the transport, so how we'll come to know the it is known as the VVM. Okay, VVM is vaccine vial monitor. If VVM is suggestive of the dark color or the same color, then with the surrounding circle, then it suggestive there is a breakage of the temperature regulation during the transportation. So this type of vaccine should not be used. Vaccine vial monitor is used for the transport related inactivation and the cold chain management. Okay, suppose this is the vial of Covaxin or Covishield, which having a symbol known as the VVM of circle of the light color with the square inside. When the color of the square becomes the similar with the surroundings, or it become the dark, then the vaccine is not useful. If the color of the square is same as the surrounding and circle, That means there is a breakage of transport. There means the transport related inactivation, and this type of vaccine should not be used at the vaccination site. This is all about the co-vaccine. Okay.